Welcome! In front of me I have REDMI Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called the vibration, and make sure that the vibration is enabled. Once it is, then you can tap on vibration right here below, and we have two types of vibration. We have normal and strong. Select the one you like, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.